Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing June BoxyCharm, and let's try this product and see which one is our favorite, which one our least favorite. So if this is your first time watching, please subscribe, join the family, stay, don't go, you're already here. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return subscriber, my supporter. Love you guys coming back. Thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. I appreciate you guys. So let's do this so this video don't get so long. Alright, so here we have the little card that comes in. This one is BoxyCharm Getaway. So the first thing that you have listed here is the Tarte eyeshadow palettes. They are packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. New Tarte, Better Naturally. So this palette, it's very pretty, and these palettes retails for $36. The only thing that I'm a little sad is my palette came broken. One of the eyeshadow was the brown one is broken, so I'm really gonna put some alcohol in here and try to fix in place. And that's one of the brown, the transition shade that I normally use. But the palette, you guys can see, it's very pretty. The shades are really nice. I'm sorry I can turn it because I don't want to drop the brick shadow all over. But the shades are very beautiful. I love the pigmentation of these shimmer shades. I'm gonna show you guys in 1 minute. So the palette is very cute, and I love all the shades, and this is definitely like right up my alley, like my everyday nude kind of shades. So yeah, I'm happy with the palette. I'm just sad because one of the shadows are broke, but I'm gonna try to fix it. So that was the first thing on June BoxyCharm. And the second thing is Touch in Soul No Problem Prime Essence. And this prime, I'm really impressed, and I really like the product. It's a different, because you know we're used to like most of the creamy prime kind of, and this one is actually a liquid, and I liked it. I like the way it smells, I like the way it looks and feels on the skin. It's very light. So yeah, I'm excited to keep using this. Made in Korea. Ooh, okay. Touch in Soul. Okay, so the primer is very nice. You have the box, maybe you can see better in the box. And here's the primer. I'm very happy with the outcome of this primer, and this primer is product number 2 in June BoxyCharm, and this primer retails for $23. Very good primer, very nice price. The third thing here is Dominique Cosmetic Lemonade Lip Gloss, and this one is in the shade Tea Peach, which is very pretty. We're gonna try it on this right now, just in 1 second. And the next, and this, okay, so the lippy retails for $17, and the next thing in the list is this highlighter that I'm really in love with. This one from Steve Laurent, and is jelly highlighter. What I really like about this highlighter is the formula. Like when you touch, it's almost like creamy to powder. It's really nice on the touch, and highlighter is fabulous. I already have a little bit on, but highlighter, it's beautiful, and I really like the touch, like how it feels on the skin. And this highlighter is the 4th thing in here, and this highlighter retails for $26. Okay, all right, so the next thing in the next and last product on this June BoxyCharm is this Dirty Little Secret lip liner. This one retails for $15. So let's try this lip liner and the Dominique Cosmetic gloss. Even even though I like the shade, I find that the lip liner is dry. It's just like, you know, it's not so easy to apply them. It's not creamy or whatever, but it's a beautiful shade, so I'm definitely gonna use it. And this one is Dirty Little Secret lip liner. Smooth and creamy. No, it's not creamy, it's actually dry. And this lip liner retails for $15. Alright, so now let's try the Dominique Cosmetic lip gloss, because this shade is so pretty, and this shade is Peach Tea. Oh, and it smells so good. The shade is very pretty. It's a nude pink. Yeah, definitely like the shade, and it smells really good, and it goes very creamy on the lips. Very nice, and it's not sticky. So Dominique Cosmetic, well done, girl. I love your lippy, and I love the color, everything. It looks really pretty. And that's all for this June box charm. I hope you guys enjoy it. So see you guys next video. I will gonna link the link below in the description of this video for box charm if any one of you guys want to try. It's a monthly makeup box subscription that you can pay $21 a month, and you get this box with the 5 full-size products, and that can go up to $100 worth it. So it definitely make your money worth it, definitely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I see you guys next video. Bye.